What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute, not really anything for me to say, to be honest. I just been lagging on videos, haven't really had much to upload, and I don't know, I just really haven't been putting as much effort as I used to be honest. But anyways, besides that, welcome back to another video guys. Hopefully I'm back for a while again, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys know by the title and thumbnail what we're doing in today's video. Partnered up with Apex Built once again, but this time not for the M5. It's for the X5, and I'm super excited because the X5 is finally gonna get some noise. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear anything at all right now, but I'm driving the X5. Well, maybe you guys can see. I'm driving the X5 right now, and it's like an electric car. It's quiet. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what it's gonna sound like. We're putting downpipes on the X5, Apex Built Catless downpipes. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. It does have like very light pops when you rev it. So I think that's pretty cool because we're actually gonna get pops when we put the downpipes on. You'll be able to hear it more. But yeah, missed you guys. How you guys doing? I've been super active on Instagram though, so if you guys don't follow me on that, I'll leave it on the screen again right now. Always active on Instagram. I post like every single day, whether it's posts or my story, but I post every single day. So yeah, you guys want to see a little more of my life, or just a little more of the cars and stuff, Instagram is the way to go. But yeah, I'm gonna try to give you guys some revs right now. Unfortunately, I can't give you guys a before cold start, just 'cause I don't have a cold start video, and I'm about to put on the downpipes. So yeah, but I'll give you guys some revs, and then I'll do like a pull when I'm on my way home, and you guys will be able to hear what it sounds like nothing. But yeah, let me give you guys these revs real quick. Hopefully no cops pull up, because you know we're in Cali, bruh. Cali is not the way to be. So yeah guys, you guys heard it right there. It's pretty damn quiet. All you can really hear is just engine noise. Alright guys, here's a little pull. Like I said, you can't really hear too much, to be honest. I'll give you guys another pull with the windows down. It's just a little windy outside, so I don't know if you're really gonna be able to hear much besides wind. But the X5 is like super quiet right now. I don't think you can hear anything at all. But yeah, those were just two little pulls. I'm gonna go ahead and park the X5 at the house, let it cool down, and then we'll get started with the install. So without further ado guys, stay tuned. All right, we got the X5 parked right here, letting it cool off, and you guys know me, I couldn't really wait to open it. So I already opened it, I already checked them out. They do look super sick. I think they're bigger than the M5 ones. I'm not too sure, but let me take this off real quick. Here it is guys. You guys can see right there, Apex Built. Looks super sick, super good quality, just like the M5 ones. And yeah, I think these are way bigger than the M5 ones, to be honest. But I'm super excited. Quality is on point as always. You guys can see the welds. Sheesh, super excited to put these on, man. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and let this cool off, and I'll get back to you guys once it's time. All right guys, it's been a little bit now. I'm pretty sure it's cool enough. So I'm gonna just get straight into it. The only thing is that I've never done this before. I've never actually worked on anything on this X5. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing, to be quite honest. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and put up the tripod and probably just time lapse everything I do, and then maybe after I'll explain a little bit of what I had to do or what I had to take off or something. Or if I did struggle with something, I'll tell you guys what helped me take it off, or whatever it could be. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right guys, we have these stock downpipes next to the Apex Built downpipes right here. You guys can see the size difference because of the catalytic converter with no cats. So yeah, I'm about to put them on now, and we'll see how that goes. What's up guys, it's a while later. I'm so beat. Not gonna lie, these are like one of the worst downpipes to ever do. It was a hassle to take off the stock downpipes, and but it was a lot easier to put on the Apex built downpipes. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what it does sound like. I am excited. Hopefully I didn't forget to put anything back on. Hopefully I didn't break nothing. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera down right here on the floor, I think, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the truck, see how it sounds, or the SUV, whatever you guys want to call it. I know some people are like, why do you call it truck? It's not a truck. But anyways, go ahead and see what it sounds like. Alright, you guys heard it. I think I did hear a little bit of wastegate rattle, which I'm almost positive I heard it before. Obviously with the downpipe, it's gonna echo that sound, make it louder. So unfortunately, it does have that. But if anything, I'll go ahead and do the wastegate rattle fix that I did do on the M5. It's not that big of a deal, but yeah, it is what it is, you know? But it did sound kind of cool, different. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a little drive and see what it sounds like on the road. But yeah guys, finally some type of sound on the X5. We'll see how it goes. What's up guys, it's like the next day now. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can hear that. So alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting it to be a little bit louder, just because, you know, it's the Catless downpipes, so I was just expecting it to open the airflow a lot more, which technically it did. But if you really think about it, it still has the mufflers, it still has the resonators, and I don't know like what else you can have on there as well, because it's a fully stock exhaust. But you do get a lot more turbo spool, which is pretty cool. I'll show you guys what it sounds like right now. But yeah, it's not a lot louder than it was before, but there is a lot more turbo spool. Well, there's actually turbo spool now, there wasn't any before. And you can hear the pops a lot more. If you guys do have like a 50i, whether it's a 550 X5, whatever it is, if you guys have any recommendations on what type of exhaust or what to do to the exhaust to make it sound better, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, there's a lot of wind noise right now, unfortunately, but see if you guys can hear the turbo spool. See if you guys can hear right now in low gears. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, man. There's I guess I'll know whenever I edit, but there is a lot of wind noise. It needs a tune now, but damn. I don't know if you guys can hear the pops. Alright guys, one more little add-on for the X5. LC purchased these mirror caps from RW Carbon, same place where she purchased the lip for the M5. But look at this, bro. Oh my goodness. And it's like the wing style, like the X5M style. Looks sick. So these are going to replace, well, this is the wrong side, but we're gonna replace these. So should be pretty cool. We'll see how it looks right now. Actually, I'll show you guys what it looks like from the front with the white mirror cap. You guys can see, we're gonna replace it with these. This one's gonna go on that side, but you guys can see what it looks like with the white mirror caps. And then I'm gonna put these on real quick. I just added it to this video because it should be pretty quick and easy, so it's not gonna take very long. But yeah, let me go ahead and put these on real quick, and then we'll see how it looks. All right, I got the first one done already. Literally took like a minute. I just used one of these. It came in this like box that I purchased to, it was like a wrapping kit, but I pretty much just started over here. I folded the mirrors in, that way it can be a little easier. But I just started right here, kind of stuck this in and pried, and then went around this way. And it came off really easy, honestly. It took like a minute or so. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the carbon fiber one. Hopefully it fits, and we'll see how that looks. Here is the first one done. It fit really good. Actually, it didn't look like it was gonna fit, but it fit really good. You guys can see what that looks like. You guys can see the other one better because of the sun. But that's what this one looks like right here compared to this one. Dang, that looks pretty sick. I wish they had wing mirror caps for the M5, but unfortunately they don't sell any. On to the next one. Alright guys, the second one is on. And you can see how the carbon fiber looks. Super sick, but let me get this. You guys can see what it looks like with both mirror caps on now. You guys can be the judges yourself. That looks pretty sick, I'm not even gonna lie. I really like the wing style. First carbon piece on the X5. But yeah, I just wanted to add this little clip to the video. I didn't want to make a whole video on this because it was gonna be pretty simple. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video right here. I just wanted to show you guys obviously the downpipe install. A little bit of my review on it. Like I said, the fitment could have been a little bit better, but I am gonna talk to Apex Built about it to fix any little imperfections there is with the fitment and anything like that. But for the most part, it was a solid install. Way easier to install than it is to take off the stock ones. So yeah, and then like I said, it sounds really cool. You can hear the turbo spool way more. Hopefully you guys can hear it on the footage. But we do want the X5 a little bit louder, so we're gonna figure out what exactly we want to do next, whether it's like resonator delete, muffler delete, or whatever it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys want to see. You can see the X5 M5s over there looking all pretty. But yeah, like I said, Apex Built, if you guys want the downpipes, they're building the M5, maybe even gonna continue building the X5. I'll have a link in the description for the downpipes if you want to purchase them for your X5 or any N63 to you. Link in the description. And without further ado guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.